Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to practice writing our words, and then we're going to color the vowels red so that we can make sure we know which ones are vowels and which ones are consonants. So the first word is big. Pop up the sounds. B, I, G. Please write big. Next word, kit. Sounds. K, I, T. K, I, T. Good. Next one, we're going to do win. What are the sounds? W, I, N. Win. Next word, let's do bin. Sounds. B, I, N. Bin. Let's think of another word that we could do that's a short I word. Let's do did. D, I, D. Let's do our next word. Hit. Pop up the sounds in hit. H, I, T. Hit. Next word. Let's do wig. W, I, G. Wig. We have 3 more words. Let's do tin. What sounds do you hear in tin? T, I, N. Tin. 2 more words. Let's do zip. What sounds do you hear? Z, I, P. Good. And the last one. Let's do the word sit. What sounds do you hear? S, I, T. Good. Now, boys and girls, I want you to take your red crayon and color the vowels red, just like we do in our gorilla books when we use our chips. So, there's something common about all of our words because our goal this week is to read and write short I words. So what vowel are you going to color this week? Yeah, they're all I's. So color the vowels red, and all of the vowels this week are I. So all you have to do is go through and just lightly color all of the I's. Very good. All right, boys and girls, when you have finished that, please turn in your paper to the turn-in basket and get started on your Lexia. Nice work, boys and girls.